Welcome to PA Timber Ghost. Another lovely day deer hunting in the Pennsylvania woods. What kind of knife do you carry with you when you go deer hunting? The old standby is a buck 110. I have a couple of these. This one here came from Kmart when I was about 12 or 13 years old. I paid $12.50 for this. And as you can see, the blade has been ground down quite a few times. This has butchered quite a few deer. I've carried this most of my life. Great knife, very hard blade, it holds a great edge. What kind of knife do I carry now? One that's much lighter and much sharper and comes with spare blades. And I have an outdoor edge with a replaceable blade. These have been out a few years. These are razor sharp. No more sharpening your buck 110. Here's my outdoor edge knife. This blade comes off very easily. There's a little button here that you push. This cuts like a razor blade or a scalpel, so you be very careful. Push the button and you can change this blade in a snap. Last year I processed my entire deer with this one knife. I used 2 different blades, all with the same knife. No more using 4 or 5 different knives. Pretty easy to change the blade. Push that button, lock it down. Comes with a nylon sheath, and you can buy bigger packs of blades if you need more blades to carry. I actually have 4 blades in that sheath for my knife. At some point in time, I want to try processing my deer in the field and quarter that up and put it in game bags instead of taking the entire carcass out of the woods, which would save about 70% of the weight. So there's the old school one, my buck 110. It's been with me for a lot of years. Still works like a charm. This one I don't have to sharpen. All I gotta do is push the button and change the blade. So I have 4 extra blades with that knife. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps other people see this video. Just always hit that subscribe button, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching PA Timber Ghost.